Okay, the next tutorial we're going to ramp the temperature back down as I indicated, and in order to do that we simply go back to our setup, and when the setup opens we'll change the parameters for a ramp down instead of a ramp up. It's pretty straightforward really. Okay, so we have our acquisition settings. We want to go to the temperature control, and I'm going to set the beginning temperature to 80 degrees, the ending temperature to 10, and I just sped it up a little bit. I went to 10 degrees Celsius per minute instead of 5 just to speed up the experiment for the presentation of this. So we just say accept now, and we say start. And what's happening now is the temperature's turned orange, which means that it's priming the temperature controller. It is setting it to the target of 80 degrees, and when it gets there the experiment will begin, and then it will cool the sample down until it gets to 10 degrees C. So I'm going to pause this tutorial to save you the agony of having to wait for the duration of time, and I'll continue it on towards the end of the experiment, and then we'll have a look and see what the traces are. Okay, signing back on, you can see that the ramp is almost completed. We're gone to 10 degrees now, and the experiment will stop, and you can see here that we've got some changes in our ramp. The reverse ramp runs in this direction from 80 degrees all the way down to 10 degrees. The first original ramp is above here, and if I select it you can see we ran it in one direction, and in this one we ran it in the opposite direction. So since it's sitting here at 9 degrees right now, I'm just going to cancel the settle time. We'll hit stop, and now we can see exactly what's happened with our ramp here. Alright, so this trace here will be our ramp going down, so I'm going to just relabel these. So this will be a reverse ramp, and this trace here, the original one, is our forward ramp. So we have our forward ramp and our reverse ramp, and we can take a look at the changes between the two. And simply by clicking on the forward ramp and the reverse ramp, we can see the dynamic changes in the protein, folding and unfolding, denaturing them by temperature. So that pretty much concludes the tutorial. This is available in a 4-position cell and also a 1-position cell that you've seen here.